Bilis!
When she looks at me, I know the girl she thinks nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and puts me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man and just take me as I am. Come what may, she will live in the face. Something I never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open up more, making me love myself a little more. When I throw away, she knows there are no times, there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lives to live it through.